काल वेंचणुकेक गोंयकारांचो बरो प्रतिसाद मेळ्ळो। एकूण 11,64,224 मतदारांनी आपलो हक्क गाजयत वेंचणुकेची टक्केवारी 78.94% वेली। तातूंतलो दादले उमेदवारांचो आंकडो 5,66,241 जाल्यार बायल उमेदवारांचो आंकडो 5,97,974 आसा।
वेंचणुकेचे सुरवेक 11.4% मतदान जालें, जाल्यार दनपारां 1 उपरांत 45.10%, 3 उपरांत 60.40% आनी सांजे 5 उपरांत 75.34% मतदान जालें। सगळ्यांत चड मतदारांचो आंकडो वास्को मतदारसंघात 35,552 इतलो आसलो, जाल्यार सगळ्यांत कमी मतदाराचो आंकडो मुरगांव मतदारसंघात 20,412 इतलो आसलो। 12,546 जाणांनी पोस्टल बॅलेटांतल्यान मतदान केलें। एकूण 301 उमेदवार वेंचणुकेच्या रिंगणात उबे आसले। मुखेल वेंचणूक अधिकारी कुणालान ही माहिती दिली।
We had 11,64,224 electors, out of which for the first time we had 9 transgender electors. These all were added with the efforts of our electoral registration officer with the help of NGOs. The biggest assembly constituency in terms of electors is Vasco da Gama, which is 35,552. The smallest is the neighboring Mormugao, which is 20,412. In 2017 election, we had 11,10,866 electors. The biggest assembly was Vasco da Gama, 35,601. The smallest was Sant Andre, 20,941. This time we are having 298 service electors, for which we have sent postal ballot through electronic means by way of ETPBS system. We are able to tag 9,590 PWD electors. We have total 29,797 80 years old and above electors. These two figures are important because for the first time, Election Commission of India has extended the facility of absentee voters. For these absentee voters, Form 12B was issued through the BLO, and 13,150 postal ballots were issued, and total postal ballot absentee votes casted is 12,546 by these categories of absentee voters. This time we had total 301 candidates, out of which male candidates were 275, female candidates 26. General candidates were 292, SC candidates were 9. Total polling stations we have is 1,722.
दुसरे वटेन पुलिसांनी दुडू, सोरो, भांगर, घुवळी वखदां असल्यो आक्षेपार्ह गजाली जप्त करून एकूण 12.72 कोटींचो माल वेंचणुकेच्या वेळार जप्त केलो। वेंचणुकेचे आचारसंहितेचो भंग केलो म्हूण 3 जाणांचेर FIR नोंद केल्या। IGP राजेश कुमारान माहिती दिली।
No major incidents were reported. Of course, there were calls of some dispute, minor kind of disputes. 38 calls were received, but no complaint was serious enough to be converted into a crime. Of course, there were 3 FIRs registered which are related to Model Code of Conduct that are separate. That was action by the police as per norms as and when they received an information. To ensure the peaceful conduct of elections, I had been briefing you earlier also. We kept our pressure on all the anti-social elements. We took preventive action against more than 1,700 people in state of Goa. We called history sheeters, bad characters of the police station. Rather, sometimes our PIs visited them and warned them not to indulge into any anti-social activity.
वेंचणूक शांतिकायेन जावची म्हूण वेंचणूक आयोगान पुराय जतनाय घेतिल्ली। पूण विटामीन एमाक लागून दाबोळे बोवाळ जालो. दाबोळेचो काँग्रेसीचो उमेदवार विर्यातो फेर्नांडिसान ब्रह्मा पवाराचेर पयशे वाटिल्ल्याचो आरोप केलो. ब्रह्मान ह्या आरोपांचेर स्पश्टीकरण दिलां.
Exactly what happened, actually I had gone for voting as I belong to Dabolim constituency, new government school, I had gone. Suddenly the flying squad came and checked me. And as a natural routine, they found around 22,000 which was normal cash in it. I was not distributing nor I was not connected to any political activity. And at the same time, the election commission got me scot free and released me that time. Nothing was caught and nothing. I was not case was not registered. Nothing like that.
But somewhere you are related to somebody.
No, as a friend, I'm being a personal friend of Mr. Movin Gujino for the last 40 years. I admire him as a leader. I still admire, but there is no political connectivity with Movin Gujino. I have been highlighted being a personal friend with Mr. Movin Gujino, and that video, whatever has been made viral by the political opponents who have been striving in Dabolim constituency.
The cash was yours or?
My cash. At the same time, the election commission, being an innocent, they returned me the cash and they gave me scot free. No case has been registered. Nothing.
गोवा 365 खातीर पणजेच्यान इर्शाद शेख आनी वास्कोच्यान हिरू महाली.